Yes, good morning, YouTubers. As you can see, I'm doing some vegetable. You can see, look at it. I'm cutting up the cabbage, carrot, cucumber, sweet pepper, bell pepper, everything in my vegetable. I'm doing it for my granddaughter 21st birthday. So look at it. I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to it. Tap in. This is a vegetable. Yes. So I have again my curry chicken. You can see, and I have some chicken soup. Look at it. Wow, bubbling away. Some chicken soup. This is the rice and peas. I boil my real red peas. Boil it from overnight. So I'm boiling it down now. So that is the red peas. And this is my curry chicken. Look at it. Look at the curry chicken. Ain't it beautiful? Yeah? Look at it. Curry chicken. Okay? So just like, share, subscribe, comment down the bottom. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire do her thing. Right? So, rice and peas. I'm gonna do soup. This is the soup bubbling away. So just like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes. This is Auntie Claire way of doing it. And curry chicken. Beautiful. Beautiful. The soup is bubbling away. Lots of corn. Yeah.